Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share with you a very healthy, effective and easy way to lose 1 kg in just one day. Share with you a powerful fat burning drink that you can have it for breakfast and in the evening along with certain foods. Plus I'm going to share with you what you have to take for lunch and dinner to lose weight. Finally, I'm going to share with you 3 exercises and you can follow any one to lose weight. So let's get started. Prepare this fat burning drink. The ingredients that you need is a medium sized cucumber, handful of mint leaves, medium sized apple, half lemon, and finally is a small piece of ginger. So let's prepare. So I'll add all these ingredients into the mixer except the lemon. So I've just chopped the apple and I've taken out the seeds and also cucumber. So I'll add all these ingredients. Then I'll add the apples. Finally is mint leaves and ginger. And I'm going to add a cup of filtered water to get a smooth juice. So I'm going to grind all these ingredients together and then filter the juice. So here comes your refreshing fat burning drink. So I'll just pour this into a glass. To this drink I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. So I'll just squeeze this lemon. Once it is ready, just drink it immediately, and for taste you can also add a half teaspoon of black salt. To get the maximum nutrition and energy, you have to take certain foods along with this drink. So you can have around 12 to 13 almonds, which contains around 85 to 90 calories, or you can have dates. They are high in nutrition, they gives you instant energy. They are high in natural sugars, fructose and glucose, that boost your body metabolism and immunity. So you can have around 5 to 6 dates, and that also contain around 100 to 110 calories. So you have to take this drink for breakfast and in the evening along with any one of these options, either almonds or dates, so that you can get the maximum nutrition, energy and help your body to lose weight. This drink improves your digestion. It gives you energy because of fiber contained in apple and lemon. It speeds up your metabolism and increases the rate your body metabolizes fat by 50%, and thus helps you burn body fat and also it helps you get a flat tummy. So first option is a bowl of oats. So I've just added, so I'm using this quicker oats. So I've just added a cup of hot skimmed milk, and then I'll top with some fresh fruits and almonds. So this gives you instant energy and keeps you full throughout the day. So this is the best energy boosting food that you can have for lunch, because oats are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that gives you instant energy and strength. It removes cholesterol from the digestive system. It fights heart diseases and keeps you feel full throughout the day. If you want some sweetness, you can add a small teaspoon of honey, or you can also add chopped dates or some raisins to it. Now moving on to the second option, you can have a grilled brown bread sandwich. So as you can see, I have 3 brown breads and I'll stuff it with some tomatoes, cucumber, chilies, and this is capsicum and onion. You can also add lettuce, cabbage or spinach for stuffing, because these foods like cabbage, spinach, tomatoes, capsicum and cucumber, these are low calorie foods and they keep hunger at bay, and these foods also fires up your metabolism to process fats faster. So it depends on you. You can either eat it fresh or you can just grill it. Moving on to the third option, you can have a bowl of vegetable curry, that is boiled vegetable curry, cooked in a teaspoon of oil, small teaspoon of oil, and 2 medium-sized roti. So have vegetable curry that are made from vegetables such as bottle gourd, spinach, tomato, beans, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, because these vegetables are extremely low in calories. They are high in antioxidants that helps dissolves body fat and thus aids in weight loss. This also reduces your cholesterol level and prevents heart disease. If you want, you can also include a bowl of fresh cucumber, onion and tomato salad to this diet. The dinner options are exactly the same except for the decrease in the portion size. And instead of having a sandwich made out of 3 brown bread, just have it with 2. And for this also, instead of having 2 roti, just have 1 roti with some vegetable curry. Now I'll share with you 3 exercises that will help you in weight loss. So just follow any one of these exercises for 10 minutes to lose weight. So apart from following this diet and exercise, you also have to drink plenty of water throughout the day, avoid stress and be happy. And also in case if you feel hungry in between the meals, you can munch a fruit such as apple, cucumber or an orange. So just follow this diet plan and exercise that I've showed in this video. You will definitely lose weight 1 kg, and this is from my personal experience. I followed this for 3 days and I lost around 2.3 kg. Like the first day you will lose 1 kg, but for the second day I lost 0.8 kg, and for the third day I lost around 0.6 kg. If you don't have any health related problems or hormonal imbalance, then this diet plan and exercise will really help you lose weight 1 kg in 1 day. So hope you find this video useful. So thanks everyone for watching this video, and for more such beauty videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to find more weight loss tips or natural beauty tips, then visit my website, and the site link I have shared just below this video. So take care, bye, and see you until the next video.